Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to extract data from PDF CVs with different physical layouts using PDF.co and Zapier. Extracting data from PDF CVs with varying physical layouts can be a time-consuming and challenging process. However, with the powerful combination of PDF.co and Zapier, you can easily automate this task, saving time and effort, and simplifying the data extraction process. You can see the link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample PDF CVs with different physical layouts to demonstrate the data extraction process. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, locate and select the Google Drive app. You can also use a different cloud storage services if you prefer to get the files saved in a different location. And choose the new file and folder to trigger when a new file is added in a folder. Let's configure the trigger. Start by selecting My Google Drive as the drive to be used. Next, specify the specific folder from which you want to fetch the PDF file. After setting up the trigger, you can click on the Test Trigger button to verify if it has been set up correctly and return the specific file value from Google Drive. The test trigger was successful and returned the specific file value we need from Google Drive. Now let's proceed to add another app to our workflow for extracting data from PDF CVs. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app. And locate the Custom API Call option to utilize the PDF.co document parser endpoint for extracting data from PDF CVs. Let's set up the action for extracting data from PDF documents. First, input the document parser endpoint to allow you to extract data from PDF CVs. Next, select the web content link from Google Drive. Now let's input the JSON code and specify the desired output format such as JSON, CSV, or XML. Next, add the template ID you created, which contains the data extracted from PDF CVs. To create a template ID and extract data, please use the link provided in the description box below. Then set inline to false if you want the extracted data to be returned as a URL. Once you have completed setting up the action, it's time to test the data extraction process. The test of extracting data from PDF CVs was successful. You may now copy the resulting URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the extracted data from PDF CVs in JSON format. You can also choose different output formats such as CSV or XML, depends on your requirements. To expand your knowledge about PDF.co and its features, we invite you to explore our extensive collection of tutorials on our website. You can also visit our YouTube channel to access a variety of informative videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.